hapon na actually. And punta kami ng SM Lanang. Huling hirit bago magpasko, may mga bibilhin lang. And we are lucky today that 3 minutes away yung aming Grab. Kahapon, struggle is real. Kami nag-jeep kami papunta at saka pabalik. Very busy kahapon. So, hindi kami nakapag-chance na Grab. Wala kaming mahanap ng driver. Let's go! Everyone ready?
Yes, we are ready.
He's near already. Somewhere there in the main gate. Entering the community.
Oh my god, the traffic is like, oh my goodness. That's why half an hour, Ryan. See? Look at the traffic.
Is it going that side?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, but they're coming this side, not that side.
Those are coming this side vehicles, but we are going that side. We need to cross that
They're
highway
going there, but the traffic is. They're coming, trying to come this side. See, those people are coming to.
This side, but we have to go that side. At the junction, we have to go.
Finally back in SM. Look at it, Nana. So beautiful. The Christmas tree, the Christmas decors. Yeah. Kakain muna kami guys kasi gutom na. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-lunch. Ito kami sa KFC guys kasi full pack ang restaurants ngayon, ang haba ng pila. So we decided dito na lang kami sa KFC. At least medyo hindi masyadong maraming tao pero marami pa rin. Pero naman talaga pag Christmas season, di ba? Lahat ay gustong gumala. So ayun, haba ng pila everywhere. Not yet ready? Gutom na yun sila din. Wala pa yung kinakain. At least, Ryan and I ate sandwich. Pero sila dirang wala talaga. Kape lang ang ininom niya kanina. Finally, dumating na ang aming food. Waiting for the additional order. Pero hindi na talaga makahintay, guys. Just listen for the number, okay?
Yeah.
What's the number?
Let me have something I can check. Number.
This is the old one. Where's the other one?
Be with me.
Okay.
This is rice eating.
Yeah. Gutom na gutom. Yeah, napapala.
Is it hot?
Christmas everywhere.
Is this good? Ang mga nag-aagawan sila sa mashed potato, guys.
I miss this.
So, tigdalawa sila ng mashed potato. Sarap naman talaga siya. Maybe we'll be coming to KFC more often now because of this mashed potato.
Yeah.
And their chicken also good, right?
Good. What is hot Ryan?
Chicken mashed potato. There's a pork.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get some gravy.
Yeah.
See what we got, Ryan.
This one.
Open it. You forgot about it already?
Popcorn?
Yes.
Called shorts here.
Chicken popcorn thing.
Good? Take that also. What is this? Oh, this is yours.
Oh, this
Chicken
is
cheeseburger.
This is yours, Daddy.
Enjoy, guys.
That's mommy and me will share.
Kadirang becoming Filipino, eating rice with fried chicken. He never do that.
Yeah.
Now he's learning. Ito, sa India, spicy. Sa Pinas, hindi spicy. So, mas masarap yung sa India. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Punta na kami ng Toy Kingdom, guys. And alam nyo na kung anong gusto ni Ryan. Parang alam na alam talaga kung saan nakalagay.
Nga dito.
Okay. Nahanap din talaga. Magbabayad na agad. Hindi man lang lilingon sa ibang laruan to. Rubik's Cubes lang, masaya na siya. Original na yung Rubik's Cubes yan, guys. Yeah. Rubik's Cube. Long queue. He wants to open it. Give it to him already. Cannot wait. Sobrang daming tao ngayon.
Grand reveal.
Sige, pahirapan mo ang tatay mo. Careful, maybe you will get hurt. Give me this. End of story, Rubik's Cube. Oh my god, you did it already? Super fast!
The actual original brand?
Yeah. He's so good, Daddy. I don't even know how to play that. Daddy for sure don't know how also. Tayo sa pen shop naman, guys. Gusto kong bumili ng damit. Daming sale. Sale, sale, sale. Kumikinang. Pula. Pero ang pila, guys, grabe ang haba. Parang ayoko nang bumili. Ay, gusto ko sana ito. Oh, ayan. Yeah, everywhere. Christmas effect.
I don't know whether they have.
Yeah. Oh, ito pa lang sa picture ang sinasabi nila din.
No.
Yeah.
Solid
See,
one.
look at that, Daddy. That one is better. See?
This one?
Yeah, it's full face, but you can lift it up. Yeah,
You can lift it up.
because full face really more safety, right? Than half face.
Done the same place like one, this one. Yeah.
Careful, Anna.
Two face, but
Yeah, but you cannot lift that one. I think this one called the modular. I saw that one in Shopee. What size? don't have, right, Daddy? Red polo shirt. Become small already.
Sorry.
Dili na? Okay, or more bigger?
Okay.
Don't do like that, Nana. Don't stretch it down. May ano pa siya, t-shirt sa loob, kaya ganyan. Okay. But it's white.
It's not a jeans, this one. It's
Yeah.
like a tie now, right? Oh.
No, it's handkerchief. Look at that, Nana, ang mga maleta. 60% off. Looks so cool.
$10,000 pesos. This one.
10K.
50% off.
Oh.
Okay.
Malilis pa daw. Oh, 6'2". It's cha time. I throw already.
My wallet is not.
Ah, liar. Impossible. Okay, come on.
I want extra stuff.
Huh?
Order to only will share.
What flavor? I want pearl milk tea.
Yeah, I want also. But milk
Same? One should be different. Huh? You want matcha, Ryan? Matcha? Waiting for our cha time. There's no place.
Okay, that's enough.
But
That's
it's very nice for them
enough.
to go. Then you can sit there.
Two people only can sit.
Yeah, the daddy will stand.
Yeah, because I'm a special child.
You're special.
And mommy's the mother. I'm the special child
He's a special child.
because I'm the only child.
Don't say that special child. It's different meaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the only child, so I'm special. It makes perfect sense and I know how to do Rubik's Cube while you guys do not know. I am very smart.
Galing talaga.
You are 99% handsome.
Baby Ryan. Baby Ryan. Get caught on cam.
The first time, okay, don't think.
First time?
All
The
alone.
first time when I'm 19 years old. This is an exercise for him. And
Weightlifting.
yeah,
Adina is showing off that you can still carry
Still can carry. Okay. Maybe next 2 years.
You will be taller than dad.
yeah, yeah. Of course, I'm taller than you. I'm going to be like a left.
The regular size is 120. The large size is 130. Then only difference.
How they do it?
Also, I poked in the.
It's the same all pearl milk tea. Oh. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Oh my god. There. Back sa sakuan. Dali na. Already someone said that. Every sip pala to ka.
Do it like that.
Competition na sila yan, guys. Ayaw na niya na share lang siya. Ayaw na yung maliit lang din sa kanya. That's what Daddy wants. na kami sa bahay, guys. Nakakatawa si Ryan. Kasi, akala niya naiwan niya sa taxi yung Rubik's Cubes niya. Sabi niya, kulat kayo! I forgot my Rubik's
Oh,
Cube!
yeah.
Ay, nako. Aloka. Ito lang yung nabili ko, guys. Cardigan. And then, ito para kay Ryan. Ang hirap mamili. Ang daming tao, guys. Nakakaloka. Okay lang yan. At least, nakauwi na kami ng bahay. May babalutin pa akong regalo. Kaya bumili ako nito. Ang balot. Then, bukas nga, I have work. Work in Christmas Day! Si Mommy Burley! I wanna open my gifts. Gusto na talagang i-open na yung mga gifts niya. Umalis ang boys, guys. Timing na timing. Pwede kong ibalot ang aking regalo para sa kanilang dalawa nang hindi nila makikita. Buti na lang talaga at umabot ito. Today lang dumating. Kala ko talaga hindi siya aabot. Ganda na itong cover na to. Sobrang saya ko, guys, kasi nag-ano ko, diba? Nag-leave ako ng 2 araw. Tapos bukas papasok ako din. Christmas holiday. And I really spend yung leave na yun with my boys. Sulit na sulit yung pahinga. Actually, may isang araw akong hindi nag-vlog. Kasi, nagbanding-banding lang talaga kami, guys. Yan, natulog ako na natulog. Sinulit ko talaga yung time na pwede akong late gumising. Kasi nga, diba, lagi tayong magpupunta sa work. Kahit na may duty ako bukas, okay lang din. Kompleto na ang ating gifts, guys. Pwede na yan dalhin bukas. And someone is so excited. Hindi na siya makatulog dahil gusto niya i-open ang gifts.
Every day asking.
Every single day. So how many more days? How many more days before Christmas? Always like that, Daddy.
I can't believe one more day because Christmas.
No more 1 more day. Tomorrow we'll celebrate, right?
I mean, tonight to tomorrow night, that's what I mean.
Okay.
One more night.
1 more night.
One night, one morning, then the next night, Christmas. Confusing. My edition.
So your favorite holiday is Christmas?
Yeah.
Of course, everyone.
Okay.
And just like
Say good night because I need to edit video and mommy need to go to work, sleep early, wake up early. Okay?
bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell icon.
Bye! See you bukas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah.